Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techno Kamakhya. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Itel A50, a budget-friendly smartphone that promises a smooth experience at an affordable price. We'll check out its design, features, camera performance, and overall user experience. Is it worth buying? Let's find out. Unboxing. Inside the box, we get heavy checkmark Itel A50 handset, heavy checkmark charging adapter and USB cable, heavy checkmark earphones, heavy checkmark protective case, heavy checkmark user manual and warranty card. Design and display. The Itel A50 features a sleek and lightweight design with a 6.6-inch HD Plus display, giving you a decent viewing experience for videos, social media, and gaming. The back has a stylish plastic finish, and it feels comfortable in hand. Specifications. Here are the key specs of the Itel A50. Heavy checkmark display. 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS LCD heavy checkmark processor. Quad-core Unisoc chipset, heavy checkmark RAM and storage. 2 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage, expandable via microSD. Heavy checkmark battery. 4,000 mAh, long-lasting battery life, heavy checkmark camera, 8MP rear camera, 5MP front camera, heavy checkmark OS. Android 13 Go edition, heavy checkmark connectivity, dual SIM, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Performance. For daily tasks like browsing, social media, and light gaming, the Itel A50 performs decently. The Android 13 Go edition ensures smooth multitasking, though it may lag with heavy apps. Camera review. The 8MP rear camera captures decent shots in good lighting, but struggles in low-light conditions. The 5MP front camera is suitable for selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. The 4,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with moderate usage. However, charging takes some time as it lacks fast charging support. Price and final verdict. The Itel A50 is priced at around $80 to $100, making it a great choice for first-time smartphone users or those looking for a backup phone. Heavy checkmark pros. White heavy checkmark affordable price, white heavy checkmark decent battery life, white heavy checkmark large display. Crossmark cons. Crossmark basic camera quality, crossmark limited performance for heavy users. So is the Itel A50 worth buying? If you're on a budget and need a simple smartphone for everyday use, it's a solid choice. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.